So yes, here we go. So the first wig is a JAJA hair, and this would be two separate YouTube videos, but I just wanted to let y'all know that I got two coming back to back for y'all. So basically this is JAJA hair YouTube channel, JAJA hair, Instagram, JAJA hair, email, jajahair@outlook.com. So everything in regards to this hair, the specs and everything, I'm gonna leave in the description bar below. And sorry y'all, I got like so many hair clients like hitting up my phone. So that's why I keep looking at my phone. But yeah. So I ordered a 14-inch bob wig. And this is it straight out of packaging. The hair smells like hair. Ooh. Ooh. Hair feel like silk. Ooh, hair feel like silk. Y'all, hair feel like silk. Loving the hairline. You know what? Let me go get a mannequin for y'all so y'all can see how this look. Hold on. I'm putting this on a mannequin for y'all so y'all can kind of get a feel of how she looks, how the hairline looks. This hair is like super flowy. I'm loving how flowy this hair is. I hate that my quality is so bad. I hate that my ring light just really just making me mad. Because I feel like I'm not giving y'all like full vibes of the wig. Okay, so y'all, I wanted to give y'all like real life vibes of the wig. And like I said, this is a 14-inch. I am on the floor, but this is the 14-inch wig, and as y'all can see, like this hair is super soft. And like I said, I do not like the fact that I don't have my ring light, but oh well. But look at the hairline on this wig. I just want to show y'all. Look at the hairline. It's already kind of like pre-plucked, so you really don't have to do a lot to it. Ooh. My little edges or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to do like a little quick review on the wig. The end came kind of curled because it's like bunched up in the pack, but other than that, like the hair is really like really soft, like really soft, like really soft. And I'm gonna show y'all kind of the length in the back as well. Hopefully y'all can see it. And like I said, I just wanted to do a review for just a small like kind of visual review for you all. I can't tell you that much about the hair, but I can say like the hair is like super soft. And honestly, the quality of it feels like it's not gonna shed, but you know, all stuff looks good when you first put it on, this, that, and the other. So again, this is JAJA Hair Company. If I run across like anything different from the wig, I definitely will do an updated video. You can also follow my Instagram at hairbybritney.com. Hair by Britney. And also visit my website, hairbybritney.com, for all things hair. But yeah, for the most part, like the hairline is giving me like natural vibes. I'll probably go in and pluck it a little bit more. But yeah, if anything changes with the wig, I definitely update you guys. But the scalp looks really natural. The knots are, as you can see, aren't bleached. Oh, I wish I had my ring light for you guys, but it is a frontal, so it goes. Is that scalp? No, that's not scalp. So yeah. Oh, it goes down to here. It's just not, it doesn't go as far back. So yeah, definitely giving you real hair vibes. This is the wig straight out the pack, so you guys can just get a feel of how the wig is. Again, I just wanted to do a quick little visual on the wig. I will leave all the information in the description bar below. And yeah, I just want to go ahead and kick this out for y'all. Deuces. Make sure to follow my Instagram at Hair by Brittany so you can get updates on this wig, because I will be posting it on my Instagram. And any comments you have on this wig, the shipping, whatever you may have, definitely leave in the comments below.